Welcome to a Journey Om yoga pose of the day. I'm Yogi Dan. Today's yoga posture is Talasana, scale pose. It's an advanced pose that begins in Padmasana, lotus posture, with the legs crossed, the hands coming outside the hips, pressing the wrists down to bring the shoulders away from the wrists, and exhale, press the knees out and away, and you're balancing. It's really simple once you get to Padmasana, the lotus posture, because it's just pressing up like you're doing a dip. You know, the dip, 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 dip. Should have some background. Dip, 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 dip. And then you can work it. Inhale, lifting the knees, and exhale, pressing through. Inhale, lifting. Exhale, pressing down to the mat. Inhale, lifting. Exhale, pressing away. Okay, that's how Talasana works. If you can't do it, Padmasana, let me go back to the mat prop pile. And grabbing a strap. So, in easy seated posture, just make a figure, bing! Make a figure 8 with the strap around the feet and the legs. So when you bind it up here, I'm not going to cinch it. You D-ring it and you do the figure 8 around the legs. It holds the legs, and the same thing. Now that requires super core and inner thigh strength to hold the legs, but the strap helps hold it for you. Okay, do the D-ring so you can demonstrate. Come on, what kind of yoga pose is it if you're not demonstrating completely? Absolutely. I'm not always this animated. It's Friday, fly day. Friday, fly day. Make sure you don't pinch your skin. Adjust the D-ring so you're not pinching. Then it holds it, see? Lieutenant Dan! Lieutenant Dan! It's easy to be Lieutenant Dan. Scales, Talasana, the yoga pose of the day. Thank you for watching A Journey Om. I'm Yogi Dan. Namaste.